Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me today on my media channel. Today we are going to unbox and discuss Terms of Endearment from Paramount Plus. This is the 4K release, and I think it's out of print, but I'm not 100% sure. This, as they rightfully brag on the cover, was the Best Picture winner of 1983. This is definitely a masterpiece by James L. Brooks, so I think Broadcast News was his magnum opus, if you will. And just right off the bat, they created like a brand new cover art that's, looks like a painting. I'm not sure if I'm a huge fan of that, but it doesn't matter because these releases tend to keep the original poster on the inside, which is better, and like what's on a cover anyway. So I do like, I haven't mentioned this, but this one actually has green lettering on the side. Up until now, it's all been black, I believe, so that's a nice little touch. On the back, you have the three main stars, Shirley MacLaine, Deborah Winger, and Jack Nicholson. These two would win Oscars for their performance. And let's now open it up. We have to do the, as I call with Paramount releases, the two-factor unboxing, which means you got to unwrap it twice because they rightfully are treating this like a collector's item, even though it's not quite as nice as the Criterion Collection, and you want to protect everything. So let's look at the original poster. Yeah, that's a much, much better poster. Come to laugh, come to cry, come to care, come to terms. They just had a way of selling movies back then. Okay, so here's the inside. Pretty much looks the same. So let's look at open this and look at the disc and stuff, and I'm going to, of course, take out the digital copy first. I don't advertise it on here, but there are digital copies. Well, I guess I advertise it on the back, so that's a positive thing. So I'll take that out, the digital copy, and okay, so I like that artwork, although they seem to be looking away from each other. So for some reason, Paramount puts the 4K on this side and the Blu-ray. I'm going to switch that when this is all said and done because I prefer it the other way around. And inside you have some photos of the film and a quote from someone who worked on it. This is all really neat stuff. Now I'm going to put the Blu-ray back on this side and put the 4K on this side. And yes, that is better. It looks like they're actually looking at one another. Really good. So that's what the Paramount Presents release of Terms of Endearment looks like. I believe that there is a separate Blu-ray only release on this. So I would like to ask, what do you think of this movie? What do you think of this release? Are you going to get it? I'd love to know. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe. Oh, and a little bit of a surprise. I actually already have this movie in a digital format. So, once I get this set up, if you want to get this digitally on your computer so you can stream it somewhere, follow the instructions, punch in that code. The first person who does so will get a free digital copy of this movie. So that is my thanks to you guys for watching these silly little videos, and we'll try to do that again in the future when the opportunity arises. I'll see you at the movies.